Alright, so we're gonna try a cotton candy experiment. We're using Starburst that were cut into quarters. We got lemon and what's that? Strawberry? Cherry? Okay, we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so it's been going for quite a while, heated up. Let's go ahead and add in the Starburst. We're gonna have to try and evenly spread them out, I think. But let's see. So we'll wait for it to stop spinning, and then we'll start putting them in. Come on, slow down, stop. Okay. Uh-oh, I dropped some. So I can already see that it's melting. Okay. Put one more over here. Oops. One more over there. And be careful not to burn my hand. One last one here. Alright, let's turn it on and hope it goes well. Uh-oh. This sounds dangerous. Oh, it's quick! This one was fast. So we're gonna go in this way and see how it works. Looks like it's working. Oh, I gotta be careful. So normally you just go from the top this way. Let's see. You can see it's making strings all over the outside. I don't know if it's gonna actually make cotton candy. I think I have to actually stay around the edge here or it's not gonna work. Because all the cotton candy is just spraying out to the outside. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be a cotton candy blob. But let's see. I think it's all just gonna stick to the outside and we're gonna have a big mess to clean up. Oh no. Bad idea. Look at it sealing up all the edges there. Actually making, oh, it's actually making cotton candy strands now. You can see that down there? Okay. A lot of it sticks to the walls. We're getting stuff flying all into the air. Oh no. Okay, so I think we just gotta go like this. Oh, it's working. I guess we just have to wait for it to all go on the sides. Uh-oh, it sounds like it's almost out already. It's not really sticking onto the thing. It's going quiet, so I think that means it's probably already almost done. Yeah, I think it's already done. So I guess we're just gonna have to grab it off the side and see what it tastes like. So we'll turn this off now. I think no more is coming out. I'm gonna grab some here. We got this cotton web. Okay, and let's see. Oh, it turns back into Starburst the moment you put it in your mouth. It's just hard and chewy again. Yeah, I would say just eat the Starburst, but this is kind of fun. Alright, that's it. See you guys later. Bye. Alright, so we can actually peel this whole thing, ring around here out. So that's pretty cool. I guess you can just wait till it turns into a nice ring and then peel it out. There you go. Turned into like fabric. It's almost more like what's that kind of fabric? I don't remember what it's called, but yeah. It's not really cotton candy. Alright, we're gonna do it again with pink and red. And we'll see if we even need the stick. I'm probably just gonna leave it in there and see what happens. Alright. I think there's some left over from the last batch. It's somewhat uneven spinning. Hopefully it's not gonna fly out or anything. See anything happening. I guess I didn't let it preheat long enough. So we'll just have to wait. Might have to fast forward through. Oh, it's working. Slowly heating it up and melting it. I'm holding this down to make it vibrate less so it's not as noisy. They should have made this thing attach more solid so it doesn't make so much noise. Alright, it's flinging out the colors as you can see. Okay. You can see it's just flinging it all along the walls. It's not really making strings. So we'll just wait till that's done and then we'll just pull out the whole ring. Alright, look at that nice pink color. In the camera for some reason it looks more orangish. And then once the thing starts spinning more smooth, that's how we know it's done. It's starting to make a little bit of webbing. Okay, it's starting to web up on itself, you can see. Uh-oh, the webs are getting closer and I better grab it. Uh-oh, it's all going on the heating element. No! That's bad, you don't want that. Oh, that's bad. That's very bad. That's not going to be good to clean. Okay, so you do want to constantly be grabbing the web if you can to keep it away from there. And I think it just finished. But now we're in trouble because there's some burnt sugar down there. So we're probably going to have to let it cool down and then clean that up. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We're going to take this one out just like the other one. And yeah. Yeah, it just turns back to Starburst when you eat it. Interesting. Alright, that's it. See you guys later. Bye. Alright, now we're going to try Cherry Green Apple Jolly Ranchers. Let's see how it works. Is it going to shake too much? I don't know. Uh-oh. Wow, that went quick. Or was that from a previous round? How'd it come out so quick? Did it stop already? Huh. Okay, we'll keep waiting, I guess. There's some stuck on the walls from the previous batch, I think. Let me try this. Actually, that's a Jolly Rancher. Oh, that tastes good. But I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see. It's very stringy. Different texture. Uh-oh. It's sticking to itself. Look at that. It's getting... Oh no. This one's gonna be... okay. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Oh, nice. This one's very stringy. Oh, this is working really well. So, 2 Jolly Ranchers looks to be a good combination. Look at that. Wow. This is making a nice one. Oops. Wow, 2 Jolly Ranchers. Good idea. Works really well. I think it's almost done from the sound. Wow, that works really well. Okay, I think it's just about done. The machine's getting much quieter. We've got a little string that went on top. Alright, but there we go. We got a nice one. Let's give this a try. It turns very chewy. Almost like Starburst texture, but that's really nice. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Highly recommend Jolly Ranchers. Works really well. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Oh no, I think I found out why it wasn't working right. So, I didn't notice these notches here there's a pin down there. So you have to line that up And that's probably why I ended up getting stuff into this gap. It's because I didn't push this down all the way. So now there's a much smaller gap. It's harder to reach in here. And yeah, so make sure you put this thing on right. I should have noticed that earlier. All right, they didn't even mention that in the book, so if you didn't know and you just put it down, you would have had it on wrong. All right, I'm gonna try making some more and see how it turns out. See you guys in a bit. All right, in theory, it should also spin smoother now because it's lower down, lower center of gravity. So I'm gonna let this preheat for about 10 minutes and then we'll try it again. All right, so since we had good luck with these Jolly Ranchers, let's try it again. You can see it preheated, it already melted. Let's turn it on. And you can already see. Oh yeah, it's much better. Oh man. Also, after you preheat it, let it melt some in there before you turn it on. It looks like that helps a lot. And yeah, the machine seems to work a lot better now. It's still rumbly, but I feel it's less rumbly than before. Like quite a bit. But definitely, this seems to work a lot better than before. Look at that. Two Jolly Ranchers. I don't think I even let it preheat the full 10 minutes. So you don't need to go exactly the full 10 minutes. But wow, look, now it even pulled it off the wall. Okay, maybe we should retry the Skittles and everything as well, because this is working a lot better. Uh-oh, there's some going down in there. I don't know if we'll be able to get it, but it might already be just about done. But you can see as it makes a web now, and then it kind of like pushes that up and out a lot better than before. Let's see if I can pull the inside webbing out. Oops, I'm melting it on the outside ring of that thing. Alright, so try not to get the thing down in too far, because then you start melting the cotton candy out. But there we go. It worked really well. I'm going to try with Skittles next. Let me clean this up and I'll be back, at least a little bit. Alright, let's retry the Skittles. We got 8 purple Skittles in here. We're going to wait till it slows down and stops spinning. I already preheated it. This time I'm going to pour it in and then wait a little bit to see if it melts before starting it up. Okay? Because that seems to have helped with the Jolly Rancher one quite a bit. Try and get it evenly all around. There we go. Alright, you can see they're slowly melting and sliding. At least I think. Is it just in my head? They're moving a little bit. Alright, anyways, let's turn it on. Looks like they're not melting much. Okay, and if you notice, it spins... Oh, okay, it's still getting noisy. I was gonna say it spins quieter, but... it's being noisy anyways. Alright, so let's see. Is it gonna start making the strings? You focus on the outer edges. Oh, there we go. We're getting lots. And it looks like it's working a lot better than before. So you kind of go side to side, it seems. That helps the most. You might turn it a little bit sideways to try and get that thing that forms on the end to go on. But let's see. Is it working? Come on. Form that cotton. Look, it's forming like a hair thing on top. I guess to prevent that, you'd have to hold the cone further over, like this. You have less room to hold the cone with your hand. Smells like it's burning. Oops, sorry. But it's working a lot better. This is only 8 Skittles, just like I got before. Definitely looks like a lot more cotton candy than the first time. Alright, wow, it's making a thick web down there now. Maybe I need to, can I turn it the other way? I can't grab it, it's stuck. Come on. Stick to the thing. It doesn't want to grab it. Okay. But I definitely feel like it's more cotton candy than the first time. And you can see as it's trying to get close to here, now it's, I don't know, it's getting stuck. It's not pulling that cobweb up. It's getting too close to the heating element and it's starting to make darker stuff there. Come on, pull that off the walls. It's stuck to the walls too strong. I need a way to pull it off. Oh, there we go. Whoa, okay, I got it all off the walls somehow. And it's still actually making more, so this is definitely working a lot better than the first time. Okay, so make sure that you do push that thing down all the way. It does make a huge difference in the ability to make cotton candy. Okay. Alright, now. I think what it does is it closes off the gap there. So now the heat causes the cotton candy that gets close to it to rise up once it gets far enough. And then it allows you to grab it. Because if it gets hot enough, it melts the edges. So, yeah. Alright, I think we're just about done now. Okay, I'm going to try and get some of this off the edges because it's done. Oops. Oh no, I melted it. Look at that. See, if you touch that edge, then it melts the whole thing really fast. So, I'm going to try and get in here and just get the rest of that out. Now I made like a ring around it. But yeah, it made a lot more cotton candy. Let's give it a try. It's a lot better now. And it's more like real cotton candy the way it melts in your mouth. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Alright, so I did it again, this time with 10 Skittles, and look at this cotton candy. It's working so well. Oh man. So 10 Skittles looks like it gets you a nice sized cotton candy. Looks like it's still making a little bit more. Okay, and yeah, definitely fixing the machine right works really well, because then the outer ring, it basically heats up to cause the cotton candy to rise, and then it allows it to push it out and away from that heating element, and also makes it easier to grab. So very important that you seat that thing in the right way. I don't know why they didn't make it more obvious in the instructions, because they already put it in the machine, and when they put it in the machine it wasn't seated in right either. So I actually had to pull it back out to seat it in the right way. But yeah, you can see this. We got a nice amount of cotton candy now. Right? Looks like the Grinch. And is more still coming out? Seems like a little more still coming out. Should be pretty much done now. And there we go.